Welcome. If you really want to learn English fast, just listen and repeat with me. Where is the nearest hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Do you have any rooms available? Do you have any rooms available? How much does it cost per night? How much does it cost per night? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Can I see the room first? Can I see the room first? I would like to check in. I would like to check in. I would like to check out. I would like to check out. Could you keep my luggage? Could you keep my luggage? Where is the city center? Where is the city center? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? Is there a train station nearby? Is there a train station nearby? Could you call a taxi for me? Could you call a taxi for me? How long does the trip take? How long does the trip take? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? What time does it open? What time does it open? What time does it close? What time does it close? Is this the right platform? Is this the right platform? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? I'm lost. Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Slower, please. Slower, please. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here? What's the password? What's the password? Where can I eat? Where can I eat? Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Could you recommend a good restaurant? Could you recommend a good restaurant? Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I'd like to order this. I'd like to order this. Could you make it without spice? Could you make it without spice? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Is service included? Is service included? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Where can I exchange money? Where can I exchange money? What's the exchange rate? What's the exchange rate? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? I need help. I need help. I've lost my passport. I've lost my passport. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? I need water. I need water. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I think I'm allergic to this. I think I'm allergic to this. Can you call the police? Can you call the police? It was stolen. It was stolen. I need directions. I need directions. Is it safe here? Is it safe here? How far is it? How far is it? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? I'd like a one-way ticket. I'd like a one-way ticket. I'd like a round-trip ticket. I'd like a round-trip ticket. What time is the next train? What time is the next train? Does this bus go downtown? Does this bus go downtown? Where should I get off? Where should I get off? Can you take a picture of me? Can you take a picture of me? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Is it on sale? Is it on sale? Do you ship internationally? Do you ship internationally? I'll take it. I'll take it. I would like a refund. I would like a refund. I would like to cancel this. I would like to cancel this. Can I change my booking? Can I change my booking? Where is baggage claim? Where is baggage claim? My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. Can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? Is this the line for customs? Is this the line for customs? Do I need to fill out this form? Do I need to fill out this form? Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? I'd like to return the car. I'd like to return the car. Is fuel included? Is fuel included? How do I use this machine? How do I use this machine? Can you show me how it works? Can you show me how it works? Is tap water safe to drink? Is tap water safe to drink? Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket? Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Can you recommend a place to visit? Can you recommend a place to visit? Is there a tour available? Is there a tour available? What's the entrance fee? What's the entrance fee? Are photos allowed? Are photos allowed? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Can you wake me up at 7 a.m.? Can you wake me up at 7 a.m.? Can you book a taxi for the morning? Can you book a taxi for the morning? I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation. I'm here for business. I'm here for business. This is my first time here. This is my first time here. I'm enjoying my trip. I'm enjoying my trip. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.